Okay, we're starting with the AQA AS Maths May 2018, paper 1, and looking at question 1, where we're given these four coordinates and we're asked to find the odd one out. Which one does not lie on a line? Three of them do, one of them doesn't. And we have to work it out. Now, this is ordinarily quite a faff and takes quite a lot of time to do because we can't presume any one of them is the one to start with. But it's only 1 mark question, so let's assume it's not going to be that bad and see what happens. Well, between, if I call these points A, B, C and D, simply so that I can refer to them to you, then between A and B, I'm moving right 1 and down 6. So right 1 and down 6. Between B and C, I'm moving right 1, 2, and I'm moving down 9. Which is definitely different from that. If that was moving across 2, I'd expect that to be moving down 12. And finally, between C and D, I'm moving right 1, and I'm going down between -1, -6, I'm going down 5. So they all look a bit different. Let's see what happens as I go between, for example, so that was AB, that was BC, and that was CD. Let's see what happens if I go between A and C directly. So in AC, I'm going across 3, and I'm going down 14 down to -1 makes it 15 down. And 5, now that's interesting. Because across 3 and down 15 looks like this, across 1 and down 5. You can see how that ratio remains the same. Let's see what happens if I go A to D. A to D, I'm going right 4 times, I think, to -1, 0, 1, 2, so that's 4. And I'm going down 20. Well, that definitely looks promising. That, again, is very similar. Across 1, down 5. Well, that's all the same. Suggesting, in the end, that this B one is looking the least likely. So I think that's going to be my answer. I'm going to pick B. And the reason for that is all the ratios or rather the gradients I'm moving across and down in each case, this is the one that keeps being repeated. These are all the same. The ones that involve B, that's this one and this one, look different, and I could do that in any way I wanted, really. But that's question 1.